This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with the mic Air, and we are on green noise canceling. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test without noise canceling in a blue LED soft light. And what we're going to do next is switch on over to the DJI Mic 2 that is underneath behind my shirt. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with the DJI Mic 2. We do not have noise canceling, but we do have internal recording. Now, do we have the ability to put it on noise canceling for internal recording that is 32-bit float? I don't know. I'm not about to go find out while I'm doing this test riding a bicycle. This is just the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 internal audio in stereo. We have wind noise reduction and voice enhancement. Normally I use the wind noise reduction and leave it on that. So what we're going to do now is switch on over to voice enhancement while riding. I am on voice enhancement, so this way the car that just passed, you may hear more of my voice than the car that has passed. And then the last one we'll do is put it on wind noise reduction. Remember, these two mics are off. This is wind noise reduction. All my tests were done with Pure Video Plus of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So what we're going to do is continue on with the wind noise reduction and not these two mics at the moment. And when I switch on over, I'll let you know. Now, I made this video for baby boy Donovan. He's in a decision of getting a microphone. Now we'll pull over to the side and give that talk. The microphones are off. They're underneath my shirt. And there's the mic Air. And there's the DJI Mic 2. Now I'm not going to use some microphones for this. So baby boy, I'm on wind noise reduction. And the last number of videos was like that. And I feel that with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you're going to get nice quality sound. You're on the budget, continue to go that way till you can afford to get an Insta360 Mic Air. One reason would be it's from the same company. 2, it acts as a remote control. 3, it's usable all across the camera platforms. To go ultra, the Insta360 cameras. If you decide to go to another company, it would be like DJI. You have to get the Mic Mini or the DJI Mic 3. They're the updated versions. That's what people go for, the updated versions. Or you could go for the DJI Mic 2. You save some money. But you don't get the remote control and you don't get noise canceling. You lose out of those two things. But they're usable on DJI, Insta360 products. And I'm not sure if it's anything else, but you're able to use it on a computer and use it as a standalone. You don't get noise canceling, you don't get internal recording, you don't get 32-bit float. You just get a microphone. Well, I gotta get on moving. I'm choking on diesel fuel and the wind's going right in my direction. And not using a microphone, I'm not using Pure Video on that last shot. The pier and now, I don't really need Pure Video, or do I? I think I still need it just a little longer. Well, if I was on a budget, like I said, I'll probably get a mini. But you know what? If I'm dedicating it to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, then I'll stick with the mic Air. Now let's bring this a next step forward in advance. If I was to get a receiver plus microphone, then I would get a DJI Mic Mini or DJI Mic 3. But the problem I have, whenever I use any other product with the DJI mic, at given times, random, I get distortion, garble, low sound, I get interference. I lose the quality of the microphone, and I lose it for about 10 seconds. Then it goes back to the norm. Now, it's a nice compact mic, meant for vloggers, motorcyclists, and more. It's an awesome mic, don't get me wrong. I love my DJI mic too. I use it all the time with my reviews. I use it all over. I like the weight of it. I like knowing it's there. With the Mic Air and the Mic Mini, to me it's too compact, too small. I don't like the round shape. I like it to be where I can hit the buttons, feel the buttons. With that rubber ring muff, I made my own muff. You don't know which is the left side, which is the right side. And around this thing just spins around, and the pendant's always in the wrong area. The length of the cord is not long enough. It's a little short for me. If they made it a little longer and adjustable, that would have been awesome. Can you go aftermarket another Bluetooth product? Yeah, I had Boya Magic. It was nice. And it had a little dongle, very compact in size. And you wouldn't really know it's there on the Ace Pro 2. And the artificial intelligence noise canceling was unbelievable. And that would be the way to go. The dongle receiver doesn't have its battery. It uses the camera's battery. And that would be an awesome option. But it becomes more expensive. And again, it's a small mic like the Mic Mini, a little smaller, in the shape of a giant pill, like a horse pill. And you have a snap-on mic muff. Baby boy. Now let me just tell you this. It's not easy to make a decision, and I get that. I'm in a decision of a DJI Osmo Nano. Can't get it to mid-November. But I am able to get an Insta360 Go Ultra, and I could get it right now, but it's at top dollar. I am going to wait for the sale, and if the Ultra goes on sale, then that would be the purchase. Or if the Nano comes around, which is a lot less than the Ultra. But you know what? I don't need it. It's like a hole in the head. Well, I gotta go get with Joe today, and I got a lot of beeswax. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope I could get it out to you. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this microphone review talk.